Friday, time to go plastic. Tripod is too short. I have to bend down like a weirdo. Does anybody else hate surfacing their spoil board? I really need to, but I hate doing it. About how the vacuum table works, and I'm going to do a video on that eventually, I think. But in particular, say you have a piece that wants to pull up on you, you want to put the bow kind of arched up, and then it sucks it down instead of the other way. You'll never get the other outside corners to go down. This piece has a bow like this, so it's going on. The other thing about the table that somebody was asking also about how we use the pieces of material. We're covering up the extra surface area of the pull-through vacuum, so there's a plenum below where all the vacuum pulls to the table, and then we use gates to control where the vacuum comes through, and you cover up the rest of it. It blocks where the vacuum can effectively pull, and we want it to focus on our parts. So that's what the extra pieces are for. Pretty sweet little tool that Chris made to get us accurate points. We just change it out with the active tool real quick, and then we can set like an XY corner really easily. Ew. So let me take you on a little tour of the new camera rig. What's cool is I can face this screen either way. This crazy little arm. I don't have any idea where I got this from, but maybe Tyler? New microphone. It's working great, I think. Sounded good to me yesterday. That goes on top of this little small rig. That's what it's called. There's threads everywhere. I have no idea how they make this for so cheap. I believe it's $25 for this piece of aluminum. China, right? Yeah, anyway, it's working pretty nice. Liking it. I do think I need a taller tripod. I've had this forever. I'm in Frodo, but I'm constantly hunching down like some kind of weird character. This is me standing if I get into the frame properly. But camera meet camera. So I think I found another part of the rat's nest. We need to go up here. There. Not bad. I have no idea how that stays on. That wasn't as bad as I thought. I bet the worst of it's up in there. Anytime there's a screw, those little nests just stick and then make a full backlog. So we use this QR code system for a lot of our inventory stuff. It's so we got the washers. I realized we needed some more of them. We use them all the time. So the QR code, a little photo with our label printer. If you use your iPhone, scan, or there's Android should work too. It'll open up an Airtable, which is what we use for this. And I could quickly find a link to purchase it. And also, more importantly, change it to order now. So when I sit down at the computer, or maybe I'm at the hardware store, I'll be able to pull those up and know exactly which ones I need to get. It's always on my phone everywhere. And I don't have to remember it. So every one of these, this is our kind of standard setup of tools. We sell this whole kit, the CNC cart and the hardware caddy. You can pick it up just like this on our website, but we use square screw holes because you can get a number 2 from 3/4 all the way up to 2.5 inches. So we only have one screw or one driver bit always in this setup. Some of this is just extras. Other types of fold downs. Where our neoprene goes, I'm not sure where the hell that went, but this has been amazing. We used to use Torx, and you had to use 3 different sizes to get this range, and the only one we rarely ever use, it's not a number 1, or it's not a number 2, it's a number 1, this little 1/2 inch, which are adorable. But yeah, if you want this guy, you can pick it up on our website. We'll make you one. Also, QR code on every one. It does the same thing as this one does. Takes you to an Airtable, lets us restock. So it looks like we're doing pretty good. Typically you're using number 1 the most, I'd say, or sorry, 1 inch. Some of these are still empty. Empty, full of chips. This needs to get organized, but, oh, screws, backup screws. 3/4. Yeah, I could probably fill that up. So these are adjustable. The grid over here, you can adjust every 3 inches, I believe. And then this is that 3-inch grid I was talking about on the green guy over there. We use the same one, so you can add these kind of designs wherever you want. We haven't really added anything to this side yet, but I think it's coming. I'd like to put this over here. What's great about it is it's completely modular and customizable. And on wheels. One more thing for today. Earlier this morning, we released another video on the SBA disaster loans for coronavirus. I applied for both the EIDL and the PPP last week and feel like maybe not enough people know that they're probably eligible for free money. Essentially, if you have a small business, you can get up to a $10,000 grant. Yes, $10,000 wired directly to your bank from the US government. I put a card to the video here and a link below. Please share that with anyone you think might be able to qualify. It's quite urgent. The available money is expected to go very quickly and it only takes about 10 minutes to apply. As always, I appreciate you following along, and if you want to support this vlogging channel, head over to our Patreon at cnc.money. Thanks.